Alright, so people have been asking and people are going to get Ben has cookies. So tonight it's going to be a little bit hard for me to do it, but I think it's going to benefit a little bit. I got the Cavallino neck vent and extractors for the Fiat. We're going to be going ahead and putting these in tonight. So it comes with the extractor, obviously, the NACA. It comes with 2 pieces of mesh, one for each. I don't know if I'm going to put it in or not. I don't really get how it's going to go on, but we'll figure it all out when we further go through it. And then it comes with a sealant. So this sealant you can use to actually secure the vents to your car, or you can rivet it. I think it's 1/8 rivets. If you want to, that is up to you. I'm just going to be using the sealant for now. And if it flies off, then I'll rivet it on. But it comes with 2 templates. They're thrown over there. You gotta cut them out. You can place them on the hood, and it'll give you the exact position that you need to put them. So the templates, they'll make you be able to match all on all the other cars. They're all in like basically the same exact spot. So that'll help you place them. But yeah, you gotta cut into your hood, so it's a little bit of a nail biter, but it's all for a reason. You gotta pull off your liner. We're gonna show you how to do it because there's like 2 videos and they're kind of brief on how you actually do it. So we're gonna get a little more in depth and show you a little bit more on how to do it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Step 1, open your hood. Step 2, locate your hood liner. I found it. Step 3, take out the pins. Go ahead and remove your hood liner because you don't want to cut through it, which you're not going to be able to put it back on. You can order the actual kit. It comes with this kit, is the hood liner that comes with it, so it actually blocks off. But I didn't want to get it because it's like another $150 just for the liner, and I was like, nah. So go ahead and pull this off, and then we'll show you the next thing. Oh wow, those are easy. Signature things you don't need anymore. Thorough. Okay. Alright, so to make life easier so you don't cut into anything, 210s on the hood support, pop that off, and then we'll set it on something so we don't cut into anything. Just a little bit easier.
Oh, and then they actually marked it too.
Yeah, and we did score it.
Dude, this thing's light.
It's super light. Oh, well, you don't really have to, but we did for safety because we didn't know if it was going to be. But I scored it, and just so we can get it in the same spot.
You don't have to score it because it's a nut all in there. It's not a mold.
Okay, look. I think I'm just going to run it like that.
Send it.
Hey.
Alright, where should we put this, Benny? So now with the supplied templates in the kit, there is 2. I'm just cutting out the actual hood line. So this goes along the side of the hood, or the edges of it, so you can mark where the actual vents go. So you go ahead and cut along the outside, and then you pick which one you want to do first. You just flip it over, cut out one of them. We're probably going to do the extractors first. So I'll cut out this, and then we can mark it on the hood. Alright, so we went ahead and laid the template on, threw some tape on there just so we can get it flat. We're gonna grab a head, or we're gonna grab a head. We're gonna go ahead and grab a silver Sharpie. We're gonna trace right here, because my car's black, so we're using the silver one. Go ahead and cut it, and then I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to sand a little bit more, and then you can actually drop the vent in and seal it around. And it's pretty simple. Just takes a little bit of, make sure you get it right.
If you're running on paint though, you should probably put.
We'll hang it up for the wall.
Hang it up for the wall.
On all of the other pieces.
Alright, and just FYI, before you lay the template even down, well, lay it down so you can get a rough area, but go ahead and put painter's tape along kind of where it goes. If your car's, or if you're doing this on direct paint, you gotta lay painter's tape or your paint's going to chip like really bad. My car's wrapped, so it's not, I don't really have to tape it off.
We'll find out.
But make sure you do, yeah, we're gonna find out. But make sure you tape it off because you don't want to ruin your hood anymore. But just for an FYI. Alright, so we did a quick little cut and it wants to pull the vinyl up a little bit, so went ahead and put painter's tape just to be safe. I would if I were you too, if your hood's wrapped or not. Just put painter's tape just to be safe. Just do it. We're just marking over the line that we already marked and gonna keep cutting. Alright, so while Ben's cutting this, I'm just gonna go ahead and start painting these so they can be dry by the time we're done cutting. I went ahead and chose satin black. Up to you, whatever color you want to do, because they come primered gray, or you can get them carbon fiber. Up to you. It's a little more expensive though, like a lot more expensive, like $800 expensive. But I'm painting mine satin black. He's gonna keep cutting, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I went ahead and painted it while Ben was doing all the cutting and cleaning up work. Then we just go ahead and set it in here. You are from the template, you're probably gonna have to do a little bit of extra trimming. We had to, and now it fits perfectly with enough room to still seal it on with the sealant. And it'll probably move a little bit. That's fine. Once you put the sealant in, it'll stay on there. But that's how it'll be. I'm keeping the painter's tape on there because I think it looks really cool. No, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and probably start templating the other side so we can get that cut
And then
out.
probably put the sealant on this so that way it can.
Sealant on so we can start drying. But yeah, not too bad. Just make sure you template it. Get the right wheels. This is what we use for the main cutting. It was just a little Dremel wheel, just a little one. That's for the corners. It helps cut through a lot easier. And then for the big parts, we did use an angle grinder. And then a flapper wheel to just clean up all the edges and whatnot. But yeah, we're gonna head and start the other side and seal this one. Alright, so now with the included in the kit caulking, but it's like, oh wow. It's a sealant. It's like window sealant.
Don't mind the dog.
something.
Don't mind the dog.
Go ahead and spread it around. Thin bead. Try and get it a little bit on the inner edge so it can push out. I'm probably gonna have to clean it up after. And I probably should stamp the hole. But just get it along all the edges. And then put it in. I really should put it in this. Alright, so now that first extractor vent is in, cutting out the other template for the other side of the hood to throw in the NACA vent. And yeah, so we're not going to cut out the whole square. We're literally just cutting out this little triangle guy. We'll put it on, mark it, and get cut. This one should be a lot easier and a lot quicker. Oh no, I can't really spray down with the hose yet. Should probably wait just to fully cure. Alright, so the last vent is cut. I'm just cleaning it up a little bit so the sealant can bond. That's the word. Okay, so I may have poked the hole a little small in the actual tube for the sealant. So we just globbed it, and now this thing's definitely not going to fly off. So I'm just spreading it around like I do on my morning toast. And yeah, it'll be good. Don't go too hard. Don't put too much on it. This should be just the right amount. 80 cc's. Dun, 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 dun. I need to press it, but the paint is still wet. What are we gonna do? Alright, so it's all complete. There's a reason why I put the tape there, and it's just because I do have to drive this car home tonight. And so I did it mainly right here on the front so air can't get under it and try and pull them off. So the air kind of just flows over them right now. I need the sealant to dry. So I taped them down too to hold it against the hood. But yeah, it's done. Not too bad if you have a friend that can work a Dremel real nice like Ben in his American cap. Yeah, and I'm going to wrap them tomorrow because I had to push them down and my fingerprints got in the paint. Yeah, but I'm gonna do some customization tomorrow with them. I just got the black in, so I have an undercoat on something. But yeah, I dig it. I'm excited to see what it's like cooling my engine bay down a little bit more since it's always hot in there. Especially with the new turbo, because if you can't put a turbo blanket on it, gonna figure something out for that. Once I do, I'll let you know. But yeah, that's the new Cavallino hood vents. I'll link them in the description from 500 Madness's website. They're not too expensive, and then you can get the hood liner with it if you want as well. And you can put the mesh on if you want. I didn't. There's not really a good place you can do it that would look clean. But yeah, I'm not washing my hood tonight either because it is wet and there's metal shavings all over it, so I can't just wipe it down. So don't mind that, it's dirty. Bummer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, thank you for watching. Comment any questions you have. Always there to help. Subscribe. Notify. Click the notification bell. That's what you gotta do. Yeah, thank you for watching.
2 minutes too late, but ship the strawberry shortcake.